It is the 16th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class. Today we go to Utah, where people in one town still have to be ready to leave. The stake is simple: even when a warning goes down, danger can still stay close. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, en Chine, la croissance est plus lente. Growth in China is slower. Next, des bots IA envoient des SMS aux électeurs. AI bots send text message to voters. And l'Angleterre perd contre l'Argentine. England lose against Argentina. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. À Monticello means in Monticello. Les habitants means the residents. Reste means stay or remain. Prêt means ready. À partir means to leave. So the headline says, in Monticello, the residents stay ready to leave. One useful pattern here is plus en infinitive, as in à partir, which tells you what someone is ready to do. À Monticello, les habitants restent prêts à partir parce que le feu est près de la ville. In Monticello, the residents stay ready to leave because the fire is near the town. Restant comes from rester, to stay or remain, and here it tells us the situation continues. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Avant, la ville était à un niveau d'alerte plus élevé. Before, the town was at a higher warning level. Niveau means level, and it is a slightly more official word you often hear in news reports about alerts. More examples in the lesson sheet. Maintenant, le feu est contenu à 54%. Now, the fire is 54% contained. 4%, read as 54%, is the key figure in today's story. Mais l'air sec et le vent fort peuvent rendre le feu dangereux. But dry air and strong wind can make the fire dangerous. Mais is a very useful connector. It turns the story from better news to caution. Chaque soir, des habitants viennent remercier les pompiers pour leur travail. Every evening, residents come to thank the firefighters for their work. Today's word is soir. Say it with me, soir. Listen for the French. Ouais. Sound. Now for the pattern of the day. Rester, to stay. Je reste. Tu restes. Il reste. Nous restons. Vous restez. Il restent. The headline uses the plural form. Restent. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. À Monticello, les habitants restent prêts à partir. Before you go, one question from today's story. Where do the residents stay ready to leave? Is it A, à Monticello, en Chine, or c'est en Argentine? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Try it for free for 14 days via the link below. See you tomorrow.